Imagine if a Lamborghini could race through space at 17,000 miles per hour. Sounds crazy, right? But did you know that a Tesla is already floating out there beyond Mars? And that scientists are designing cars that might one day drive on the Moon and even Mars? In this video, we'll find out just how well a Lamborghini would perform against a rocket in space. And trust me, what you're about to see will absolutely blow your mind. Let's find out. Lamborghinis are among the fastest cars on Earth, but how do they compare to actual space travel? The Lamborghini Huracan STO has a top speed of 193 miles per hour and can go 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. That's insanely fast. But compare that to a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, which reaches 17,500 miles per hour in under 3 minutes. If a Lamborghini tried to race a spaceship, it wouldn't even make it past the initial countdown. But what if I told you that a real car is already in space? In 2018, Elon Musk launched a Tesla Roadster into space aboard the Falcon Heavy rocket. Right now, that car is floating somewhere past Mars at a speed of 24,000 miles per hour, meaning it's the fastest car ever, even if there's no road to drive it on. But what if we launched a Lamborghini into space? Could it survive? The problem is, cars aren't designed for space conditions. Without an atmosphere, the paint would fade, rubber tires would break apart, and the metal frame would experience extreme temperatures, as hot as 250 degrees Fahrenheit in sunlight, and as cold as minus 250 degrees Fahrenheit in the shade. If a Lamborghini was in space, it wouldn't rust, because there's no oxygen at all. While Lamborghinis aren't heading to space anytime soon, NASA and private companies are already developing vehicles specifically designed for extraterrestrial driving. NASA's Apollo missions used lunar rovers, and now, companies like Toyota and Tesla are working on futuristic space buggies that could drive on Mars, the Moon, and even asteroids. Imagine a Lamborghini-designed rover drifting across the Moon. That would be one epic and unforgettable ride. What if car manufacturers started designing supercars specifically for space travel? Imagine a Lamborghini that could float in zero gravity, powered by solar energy, using rocket thrusters instead of wheels. Some scientists even believe that in the future, flying cars and hyper-speed space vehicles will be as common as today's sports cars. In the future, we might see supercars that never even touch the ground. So, while we might not see a Lamborghini racing through space anytime soon, the idea of cars leaving Earth isn't science fiction anymore. With technology advancing every day, who knows? Maybe one day, we'll be drag racing on the Moon. What do you think? If you could drive one car in space, what would it be? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe now for more mind-blowing facts.